Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? What's going on this time? Hedera Hashgraph price is again, you can see here, my friend, temporarily fails down. But don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, don't worry. Absolutely, Hedera Hashgraph is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, from last 3 days, they will get a profit. So therefore, I will notify you, my friends, too. If you are starting selling, remember you are very badly lost. You cannot get a profit. You will miss the chance of profit. So therefore, I will notify you, my viewers. Some holder ask me on Instagram, Twitter, to what we will need to do, my friend. Starting, selling, holding, buying, what we will need. What's your price prediction? So my price prediction is 100% gone positive. I clearly tell you this, my friends, because I already predicted this coin, and absolutely my prediction is gone positive. So I'm just only generally going to tell you to what's my prediction and what you will need to do, my friend. So as you can see here, from last 3 days, you can see here, they were starting pumping up. After this temporary pump, you can see here, they were again fails down, and after this temporary fail, absolutely they will again pumps up. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, today. This is temporary pumps and dumps. Don't worry, my friend. If they were fails down for a short time, this does not mean to you are starting selling. Don't starting selling. Hold on and wait for just an only end of this month. I am 100% sure, my friends, to at the end of month they will give you a profit. And my friend, if you starting selling, then you will miss the chance of profit. So therefore, absolutely, if you are afraid, so it's really bad, my friends. Don't be afraid. I'm 100% sure, you know, this is risky, but absolutely, if you are starting trading, then you will, my friends, take a first point of risk. So don't worry. Absolutely, don't be need to you are afraid. Absolutely, this is very easy. Take it easy and be active every time. And just in only if you subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for videos notifications, so ABS Tech channel will guide you and every day, every time. So thanks for watching, holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.